where those people hike up. That's where I came down from all the way to the top to see this. It's gorgeous, amazing view down here. We're ready to start day number 2. Woke up, had our breakfast, took me 1 minute. And now we're ready to head towards the village. Wanna see if we can reserve a mall so we can have baggage carried all the way up. Because we are gonna take a helicopter, but we're not quite sure yet. Because when we get there tomorrow they can let us know, because it's not a regular like flight day. But they have some work down here, so they probably are gonna take some people up. So we're gonna hope. Okay, so hang in there. It's gonna be a lot of adventure. So 2 years ago when we came, there was a spot where we jumped into the water, and I'm standing right on it. And right now there's no way you can jump into the water. Look over here. I think even the water got smaller. It went down. Yeah. It's crazy how it changed so much. So that means every year when you come it's differently. So they even have their own cemetery. They don't want people to take pictures, obviously. So we got to the village just to book our packages, and we got ourselves ice cream.
We have service now.
Yep, we have service now. There's 2 options. We can take the helicopter if we're lucky, because they usually don't do any helicopter rides on a Saturday. If we're lucky, they're gonna take it with the helicopter. If not, we're gonna have to hike all the way up.
With all of our stuff.
With all of the heavy stuff. Broken legs, broken shoulders, huh?
I think we'll be fine, even if we do.
Let's go closer to this. It's nice. To get that full experience, I guess, you need to walk through the water. And he's a small one, he's a donkey. Ooh. Let's see what we're gonna run into over here. Alright, so I guess we're on the right trail. I think that's a horse, a dead one. And those ones are all the bones from it. Okay, so now we're gonna try to get over there without wetting our phones and our stuff. And that makes it sink in like super nice. This one? You're on that?
Yes, I'm on it.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay.
This one moves. Okay.
Do we need to grab these?
Probably not. No, we should be fine.
Can you go up there? Can you help me?
Yeah.
And then step where your foot is?
Yeah.
Oh, we did it.
We made it! What do they say?
We crossed.
What do they say? Where is a will, there is a way, huh? Alright, so that's where we saw that shampoo. If you remember. Oh, finally. On the right side. Was enough adventure for me. So we're ready to start the second part. So now we're gonna go down to the Mooney Fall and from there to the Beaver Fall. That's gonna be fun. Nice hike and really nice way to get down there. It's really intense. Right, Trisha?
Mm-hmm.
You love that part.
Mm-hmm.
That's your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that is the nice big waterfall right here. So we're gonna get there in a second. Come on, baby! Yeah. That's it. We're right here. Can you guys see that? Nice. So in order to get to this waterfall right here, you're supposed to go through that rocks and then hike down. But it's really interesting because you kind of at one point need to hold yourself on some chains on the ladders that you, yeah, on those ladders there. So it's really interesting and intense. It's pretty intense. And then down there apparently there's another waterfall that we want to go to. I guess if they say it is, let's see. So let the fun begin, I guess, huh? So they already put over here chains because it's kind of steep, but it's nothing so far. So far it's okay. You can tell it already starts to be a little bit more interesting. And that's not the way down there. I'm gonna show you guys a view of the fall from here. Nice. That's the biggest one. The pretty part is the blue water on the bottom. It's gorgeous. So I just made it down here. Right now what I did, can you see that? Come on, yeah. Where those people hiked up, that's where I came down from all the way to the top to see this. It's gorgeous, amazing view down here. It was definitely worth it. Nice. Way too nice. Way too nice. That is the final reason why I came here. Can you see all the water comes down there? And you have everything in one view. The blue water, the blue clear water. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.